Hello everybody, in this video I will tell you when you are a host what features can you use in the Zoom meeting. I am already in the meeting. I will tap on the screen and click on the participants option. See, I can see there are 5 participants and I am the host in this meeting, and you can see whose camera or mic is on or off. Now see, if I click on any participant, you will be able to see all these features. You can see this only when you are the host. Ask to unmute is the first feature. This participant was mute. And when I click on this, a message will go to the participant saying that the host is asking to unmute. The moment I send him, see, this is what appears on his screen. If they want to unmute, then they will press unmute now, and if not, then they will press stay muted. Next option is chat. If I want to send a message to them, I will click over here. I will type over here and then press on send. This will go privately, and if you want to send the same message, you will click on their name and send to everyone. Spotlight video means all the participants will be able to see this person's video on their screen. Next option is make host. If I want to make this participant the host, then I will click on it. Then you will see this. Do you want to change the participant to a host? You will click yes. See, the participant is host. If the video is shut, then you will press ask to start video. They will receive a message saying that please start your video. Rename means if you want to change the participant's name, you can click on it, change and press OK. The name of the participant will change. See, on everybody's screen, the name would change to this. If you're discussing something that you do not want to share with one participant, then you can use the put in waiting room option to make that participant wait in another room. Now the last option is if you want to remove a participant from the meeting, then press this and press OK. That's how he gets removed. Thank you.